One of the coolest things happened to me the other day. I was at Silver Springs, Florida, and I ran into these Rhesus macaque monkeys. Now, I've seen them there before, but typically up in the trees. I tried to follow them as best as I could. They kept on looking back at me. Eventually, I followed them to this dock here, and I was a little weary just because I didn't want to scare them and make them feel like they were cornered, because they might attack me just out of fear, and they do carry deadly diseases. And then they kind of made their way off into the woods and I didn't see them again.